Before you sign a single piece of paper, you need to know the one step home buyers skip, the step that could save you thousands. A home inspection is a professional top-to-bottom evaluation of a property, from the roof to the foundation to everything in between. Think of it as a health check for the home you're about to spend hundreds of thousands on. Your inspector looks for structural issues, safety hazards, aging components, and potential future repairs. And no, this isn't the same as an appraisal. An appraisal tells the bank what the home is worth. An inspection tells you what you're really buying. A home can look picture perfect on the outside and still be hiding expensive surprises. Inspections protect you from walking into a financial trap. Here are some issues inspectors find all the time. And trust me, replacing a roof is a lot cheaper before you buy than after. As a first-time buyer, a home inspection gives you two huge advantages. You should never skip an inspection, especially when after the inspection, you'll receive a detailed report outlining everything found, the good, the bad, and the expensive. You and your agent can use that report to negotiate repairs, lower the purchase price, or, if things look really bad, walk away entirely. No penalties, no regrets. A home inspection may cost a few $100s, but skipping it can cost you tens of thousands. If you're a first-time buyer, protect yourself, protect your investment, and protect your future. And if you're curious what your home is worth in today's housing market, check the link in the description. It only takes a moment. Stop! Before you sign that contract, this one decision just saved my client $47,000. What if the dream home you're about to buy is hiding secrets that could bankrupt you? Should you get a home inspection? Here are the terrifying reasons the answer is yes. Number 1, it identifies structural damage, roof leaks, or foundation cracks that could cost tens of thousands. Number 2, uncovers safety hazards like faulty wiring, carbon monoxide risks, or plumbing disasters waiting to flood your life. 3, it's your golden negotiation tool. Demand repairs or slash the price. 4, it's a legal escape hatch. Walk away scot-free if the house is a money pit. 5, reveals the real age of HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, so you are not blindsided by $15,000 surprises. 6, prevents post-closing nightmares that become your financial burden the second you get the keys. 7, delivers pure peace of mind from a qualified pro. 8, most lenders and insurers demand it before they'll touch your deal. Skipping the inspection isn't brave, it's financial suicide. Book yours before you even make an offer.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.